Hello everyone. In the Wednesday nights EDAP 690 class, I would like to make a proposal to you for class this Wednesday. We were talking about the last time we were together a tool called Audacity. And we were going to use the Audacity to build a collection of audio files around the topic of resiliency. And as you can see here, I'm looking at resiliency from a time in your teaching career when you overcame adversity that helped you discover a new truth. And I hope that you've been thinking about it and will be ready to go. The alternative I have for you is this. We could create on the one computer in the front of the room one Audacity file. And then we could take turns coming up and loading in our stories. Sort of like a poem mashup, a poem moth radio hour, just a series of stories that we would tell. And we can just leave it at that. Or we can work on it individually using tools like the Sound Dogs, which I really like. And if you'll notice that when I typed in American School up here in the search box, it found the kinds of sounds that we would like to have. Let's see if we can hear some. As you can hear, it's that kind of background noise that every school has. And I kind of like this as our music. I think this would work. But again, I want you all to decide by Wednesday night which route you want to go. If you want to just keep going the individual route, making your own files, and then we'll put them all together into here. Or we can create one big file and just take turns coming up and doing what's called a mic drop, where you basically tell a story and then the story has a punchline and you drop the mic and walk off. If you've never done one of those, I highly recommend it. It's something I've done with, we call it an app drop, where people come up and take turns using the either the iPad or a phone or the computer and show off an app. And then they walk away. It's kind of a fun thing to do. What we're going to do here, of course, is we're going to create a story around resiliency. The other thing I want you to have in the back of your mind is I'm thinking that we're pretty far behind, as you can see from these dates I have associated. And so we probably need to be deciding which one of these that we want to throw overboard. The digital storytelling using a green screen is fairly simple to set up, and it's fairly simple to do. The other one is slated for after next week, not this week, but next week, and that would be storytelling with the Google tour. And again, I'll let you make that decision Wednesday night. Which one of those two do you want to throw overboard? That'll give us plenty of time to get the final done. So be thinking about your resiliency story. Be thinking about how you might want to do it, either as a standalone using the Audacity app that we have available on our computers there, or if you want to do it as I said, like a mic drop or a poetry slam where each of us takes a turn and comes up and sits in front of the microphone and tells our story of resiliency, and we record it all into one long audio file. I kind of like that idea. So come in Wednesday, ready to make a decision, and we'll get to work. See you on Wednesday. Bye.